let us do another topic, Euler's method. This is a very simple method. The only thing is that you need to understand how we are going to apply the formula. Okay, the formula is yn plus 1 equals to yn plus h into f of x and y. This is the formula for the Euler's method, very simple formula. That means if I want to find out the y1, see x0 and y0 is always given in the question. So if I want to find out y1, then it will be equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. What is this f of x comma y? It's nothing but your question which is given. So now let us take the question. What is the question given to you? Using Euler's method, find the approximate value of y for, we have to find out the value of y for x is equals to 0.14. This is my question. I need to find out my y value for this particular one. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Given that the question is given as dy by dx is equals to x minus y square. Now look at this. This is my question, which is given in the form of dy by dx, which is first derivative, and this is nothing but your f of x comma y. This is your question, and nothing but your f of x comma y, and you are also given as y of 0 equals to 1. So this means that this is the value of x0. y के साथ जो ब्रैकेट में वैल्यू दिया रहता है उसका वैल्यू क्या रहता है
x0
and equal to this is nothing but your y0. Okay, and what is given for h? 0.0. Now what is h? You have already learned in the forward and backward. What is
Difference.
h? Difference between the x value. Now what is your first value of x?
0.
0. Am I right?
Yes.
So x0 is nothing but your 0. So what will be my x1?
0.
0 plus 0.02. The h value. Suppose we are given x values, x0, x1, x2. So how do we find out h?
Difference.
x1 minus x2. x2 minus x1. Like that. Now we are given h. We want to find reverse. We know what is x0. We want to find x1, x2, x3. So we will add that h value into the x value. So 0 plus 0.02 is 0.02. x2 will be 0.04. x3 will be 0.06. x4 will be 0.08. 0.08. x5 will be 0.10. Or 0.1. x6
0.12.
and x7 0.14. Why I am continuing this? Because your question here is
0.14.
So I have to go till 0.14. And you have to find now y value for each x now. That means x0 is already given, y0 also you have. But you have to find out now y1, y2,
Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7.
and that will be your final answer, y7. Why? Because in the question they have asked
X.
find y, calculate y for.
X equals to 0.14.
So they need the answer of this x7 and you want to find y value for x7, that is y7. So definitely we cannot jump directly to 0.1. We have to follow the rules. We are given h is equal to 0.02, so we have to consider each value of x. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes.
So tell me what will be my formula for y1 first. According to this formula, my n plus 1 is 1. So what will be my n?
Y0.
If n plus 1 is 1, so what is n?
0.
So tell me
Y0 plus h
into f of
x0 y0.
So what you have to do in your notebook once you apply this formula, similarly on the half right side together. We have to calculate this one. What is that? F of
x0 y.
The sins. You all know, right? The f of x0, which we need to calculate. So what is my f of x comma 1? What is my question?
X minus y square.
So substitute x0 in place of x and y0 in place of
Y square.
तो क्या हो जाएगा formula?
x0 minus y0 square.
So what is my x0, students? 0. What is my y0?
1.
Remember, minus is outside, not inside. So the answer is minus 1. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now, once you get f of x0, y0, it is easy substitute here. So tell me what will be my y1? What is my y0?
1.
1 plus what is my x?
0.02
And what is my f of x0?
minus 1.
Easy है?
Yes.
So y1 मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? 1 minus 0.02 which is equal to y1. What is 1 minus 0.02?
0.
0.98. Am I right?
Yes.
So you have got this y1. You can also write this as y1 of which value? देखो यहाँ पे कैसे क्वेश्चन दिया था y के साथ ब्रैकेट में x0 था
Yes.
इक्वल टू y0 का वैल्यू वैसे ही यहाँ पे इक्वल टू y1 का वैल्यू मिला है हमें तो ब्रैकेट में किसका वैल्यू रहेगा x1 का व्हाट इज x1
0.02.
so we have got the y value for which x value
0.02.
are you clear
Yes.
so this is nothing but y1 by substituting y0 x0 calculate. Similarly, if I want to calculate y2, what will be the formula now?
y1
y1
plus
h into
f of x0
So I need to calculate here
f of x1 y1
f of x1 y1 which is equals to formula or question
x
x1
minus y1 square.
What is my x1 students?
0.02.
0.02. And what is minus? What is my y1 which you have
0.98
0.98
square.
So if you calculate this, what will be the answer to everyone is having the calci? Minus 0.9404. What will you do? Bracket 0.02 minus the other bracket 0.98 square. What is the answer?
0.9
Minus
9404.
Am I right?
Yes.
Now substitute here. What is my y1 students?
0.9
0.98 plus what is my h? 0.02 into what is my f of x1 y1?
minus 0.9404.
Multiply these two terms which will come as minus how much
0.0188.
it is 0.0188 right?
Yes.
Now subtract this
0.
0.9612. Now we have got this value of whom?
y2
Bracket में
0.04.
So we have got the y2 for this x2. Are you clear everybody?
Yes.
Tell me what is y3?
y2 plus
y2
plus h
h into f of
x2y2.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Since what is
f of x2y x2 minus
What is my x2?
0.04.
Minus what is my y2?
0.9612.
Square. So calculate this. 0.04 minus 0.9612 square minus 0.8839. Yes or no?
Yes.
Substitute that here. What will be my y3 now? Bolo, what is y2?
0.96.
9612 plus 0.02 into
Minus
0.839. Okay?
Yes.
So if you substitute y3 of whom? 0.06. So we are getting here 0.9435. You calculate the answer. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So have you understood the method of Euler's method?
Yes.
So we similarly using the same method we have to calculate what?
Y4.
Y4 of whom?
0.08.
Then we have to calculate
Y5 for 0.12.
Am I right?
Yes.
Then we have to calculate
Y6 0.12.
and then we have to calculate
Y7
What can you
0.12.
do? Can you solve this?
Yes.
Now remember we cannot jump directly here as we know that y0 value is used in y1.
Yes.
Now y1 when you get then that value you are using in y2. Calculation of y2. When you are calculating y3, which value you are using?
Y2.
So one step's value is used in the
Another step.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. You tell me the answers and then I will.